Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Re-Asian Recipes. Today I want to share with you a very simple steamed tofu dish with minced chicken and a delicious savory bean sauce. So let's get started. First we're going to steam the tofu and then we're going to make the lovely minced chicken and bean sauce. And then we're going to pour that lovely sauce over the tofu. It's that simple. So first let's prepare the tofu. I'll be using this smooth tofu for this recipe. So to remove the tofu, I'm just going to cut the edges. You can also use a knife to remove the plastic from the top, but I find that it actually damages the tofu. I do have other tofu dishes as well, so you can check out the link in the description box below. Gently rinse the surface of the tofu with water. Then I mold the tofu onto a heat-proof plate. Gently press the sides to help release it. If you find that it's difficult to unmold, snip off the edges of the box. Steam the tofu on high heat for 6 minutes. While the tofu is steaming, let's prepare the sauce. I'll be using taojiong for this recipe, or taojiang. It's a fermented bean paste. 1 tablespoon of this. Don't add too much of the taojiong as it is quite salty. I'll also be adding this fermented black bean. 1 tablespoon of the fermented black bean. Don't add too much as it has a slight bitter aftertaste. Rinse it clean. I'm also going to be adding some minced garlic and some minced chili. If you don't want it to be spicy, you don't have to add the chili. Or if you don't want to mince the chili, you can use your favorite chili oil. Actually, it's going to taste better with chili oil instead of minced chili. Now once all the ingredients are prepared, let's make the sauce. Add in a generous amount of oil. Once the oil is hot, garlic in. Stir until fragrant. Then add the chicken. Mix the chicken with the garlic immediately so that the garlic doesn't burn. Try to break it up slightly. Once the chicken is cooked, add the taojiong, black beans, and the minced chili. Continue to fry until fragrant. Then add in the light soy sauce. Oops, where's my cornstarch? Okay, then add the cornstarch. And cook until the sauce thickens. The bean sauce is salty, so balance it with some sugar. And that's it, the sauce is ready. Tofu is done. If you find there's too much water around the tofu, you can remove it. Then pour the lovely sauce over the tofu. And garnish with some coriander.